can't actually believe, but in all my years of caking, I have never done a Harry Potter themed cake. And if I was to choose to do one, I would definitely choose a pink one. So this was a pleasure to make. It's Harry Potter theme, as you can see with the Harry Potter logo. But it's for a little girl, and the pink just screams little girl. Not that I'm sexist. If you're a man and you like pink, then, you know, hats off to you. Pink is a unisex colour, but this just screams girly, doesn't it? So we've got, it's a 6-inch round, tall cake. These balls are polystyrene balls, really lightweight, so you can place them on the cake very easily. I've just inserted, you can just see behind that one possibly, just inserted, there we are, a cocktail stick into the polystyrene ball. Sorry about the lack of focus on my very rubbish phone. So yeah, they're polystyrene balls, which are really lightweight, which enables you to stack them onto a cake without affecting the structure of the cake. There we are, toothpick. They're just covered then in fondant. Just roll out your fondant, and then I've used a gold luster dust to paint them up. You can paint them any colour. You can also make these little balls out of chocolate, but I'm not a dab hand with chocolate. Fondant is my strong point, so of course I've covered them in fondant. And then the golden stitch is also done that way. It's a polystyrene ball. And then the wings on the golden stitch. I'm not a Harry Potter fan. I apologise if I don't know what it is. But they're done in edible wafer paper. And then, if you can see on the back where it's all patched up, it's got some floral wire. And then that's just run and attached to the back of the wings, again with edible wafer paper. So lightweight, the wire enables you to bend it, and then they're just stuck into the polystyrene ball, and the whole thing is stuck into the cake with a wooden skewer sat on these fondant books. Very simple to make books, but they look very effective, I find. And then just an array of sort of golden stars to match. They're just backed onto, the ones sticking out are just stuck onto some floral wire again. The board on this one, I've done, it's like a crackled effect. There are so many tutorials on YouTube to show you how to do that, and it's really simple, but it gives this really shiny lustery effect, and it's looks like all the fondant's cracked. You just paint it on, heat it up with a heat gun, let it cool slightly, and then just roll it. And as you're rolling, the top layer of the sugar paste that you have melted with the heat gun, once it's set a bit, when you roll, it cracks the paint or whatever luster dust or paint you choose to put on it, and it just cracks it and creates this fabulous effect. So I thought that tied in well. You see the sparkle on that. It's beautiful. I've seen people cover entire cakes with this effect. Not yet done that. So that might be one for me to try. But yeah, it's fairly simple. But the golds and the pinks. Oh, and this is, I think that's a wand, isn't it? That's just made out of brown modelling paste and then painted up with some gold luster. So yeah, that's a simple but very effective pink Harry Potter themed cake. Beautiful.